Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So, to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen and press on the power button right here. Once you have boot options, hold power off. As you can see, this changes into safe mode. We're gonna click on this once more, and this will now reboot the device and bring us into safe mode. Now, safe mode is basically just like a normal mode, but in that mode you won't be able to use any application that have been installed after the setup, which actually weirdly includes a lot of Samsung applications which don't come by default with the device. They just get included or downloaded after you're forced to connect to Wi-Fi while you're going to the setup. So you'll find a bunch of applications that aren't able to run here. Some basic applications like, for instance, calculator or even browser. So if we pull up our app tray, you can see all of these applications will not work right here. Clock won't, calendar, notes, tips, YouTube Music, Game Hub, Global, whatever. Then a bunch of Samsung applications even like Samsung Shop, Smart Things. These are default Samsung applications, but they're all shoved down your throat when you're setting up your device, when Samsung literally forces you to sign into a Wi-Fi network so it can download this dog shit while it's setting up without your permission or question. And you can't set up this device without actually connecting to network. You also can't actually delete, I think, most of these applications as well, so that's a bit odd. But anyway, that is the safe mode. Now, if you find any application that looks kind of like this, if you try to open it up, it gives you the pop-up that app is disabled. Now, these are all default Samsung apps, and obviously the same thing will go for applications that you have installed yourself from, for instance, Play Store or anywhere else. Now, when you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, just pull down your notifications once more and click on the power button. This time around, you'd select restart, and when the device boots back up, it automatically would enter normal mode instead. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.